Yeah, our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round, round. Yeah, let's take a second and make sure we're on the right track before we say something that we both know we can't take back. Now, staying up till late, but we still where we started. Same things, the same things. Yeah, had enough for today. We're just making it harder. Same things, the same things. We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow, then maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. Yeah, we're at the point where we're supposed to say we're sorry, but it feels like we're only talking to ourselves right now. Yeah, staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Same things, the same things. Yeah, had enough for today. We're just making it harder. Same things, the same things. We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way.